My dear children, how are you? I hope you are fine at your home. Which chapter we are discussing? We are discussing chapter 6. And name of the chapter is Be by multiple, I will be your factor. Be my multiple, I will be your factor. In the last section, we have discussed about multiple elaborately. Now, in today's class, we are going to discuss about factor. Okay, see here. Factor. What is the term factor? The term factor means, see the definition. Read the definition along with children. A factor is a number that divides a given number without remainder. Once again read the definition children. A factor is a number. A factor is nothing but a number. And what is the nature of that number? That number divides a given number. That divides a given number without remainder. Okay. A factor is a number that divides a given number without remainder. Such type of number is called factor. You have understand this term factor by seeing this example. Okay. Now we are taking the number 12. Now we are going to find the factors of 12. Okay. See, first I am taking 12. We are dividing the 12 first by 4. Okay. 3 4s are 12. So what is your remainder? 0. Factor, according to the definition of factor, a factor is a number that divides the given number without remainder. So our given number is 12 and 4 divides the 12 without remainder. Without remainder means the remainder must be equal to 0. Thus, we can say 4 is the factor of 12. Do you understand children? See, once again I am going to divide the 12 by 3. Okay, how many times 12 in 3 table? 4 times. So 4 3s are 12. So your remainder is 0. Sir, thus we get the remainder as 0 means we can say that the divisor has a factor of that given number. So we can say 3 is the factor of the given number. What is the given number? 12. So we can say 3 is the factor of 12. Okay. Now I am going to divide the 12 by 2. How many times 12 comes in 2 tables? 6 times. So 6 2s are 12. So what is your remainder? 0. Remainder 0 means we can say that the divisor has a factor. So we can say 2 is the factor of 12. Similarly, I am dividing the 12 by 6. How many times? 2 times. 2 6 are 12. Here also our remainder is 0. So we can say 6 as the factor of 12. Okay. I am dividing 12 by 12. So what is your quotient? 1 12 is 12. So what is your remainder? 0. So we can say 12 as the factor of 12. 12 is the factor of 12. Every number is factor to itself. Okay, remember this one. And once again I am dividing the 12 by 1. So 1 1 is 1. Subtracting we get 0. Bring down 2. 2 times of 1 is 2. Subtracting you get the remainder 0. Thus, if you divide the 12 by 1, you get the 12 as the quotient and remainder as 0. So, we can say 1 as the factor of 12. Thus, we are dividing the 12 by 4, getting remainder 0. 12 by 3, we are getting the remainder 0. 12 by 2, we are getting remainder 0. 12 divided by 6, we are getting remainder 0. 12 dividing it by 12, that is the number itself. In that case also we are getting the remainder 0 and we are dividing the 12 by 1. In that case also we are getting the remainder 0. So we can say the divisors as the factors of 12. Thus we are concluding here. See here children, we can say you have to write this divisor in ascending order, that is small to big. First you write the small number, that is 1 and then 2 and then 3 and then 4. Next 6. 12. Thus, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are said to be factors of 12. It's clear children? My dear children, now we are going to do one activity for division. By this activity, you can easily understand the concept of division. Okay. First, we are going to see 15 divided by 3. For this sum, we are going to find out quotient and remainder without doing actual division. Okay, let us start our activity. For this, we have to take some pieces of coins. For the number 15, we have to take. For this, I am taking this shape. I am taking this oval shapes 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now I am going to divide these 15 shapes into 3 equal parts. Okay. Because 3 is the divisor. So you have to divide the shapes into according to the number in the divisor. Here we have the number 3. So you have to divide the 15 into 3 equal parts. For that you have to take the 3 pieces of this shape. First I am taking 3 and giving 1 to each part. 1, 2, 3. Again you have to take 3. 1, 2, 3. Again you have to take 3. 1, 2, 3. Again you have to take 3. 1, 2, 3. Again you have to take 3 and give 1 to each one. 1, 2, 3. There is no remaining pieces. Now we are going to write the value of quotient by counting the number of pieces in the each part. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, each part contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, here also having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our quotient is 5. And what is the remainder? We have no remaining pieces. So you have to write 0 as the remainder. Do you understand, children? Let us do one more sum. Okay. Let us see one more sum. 17 divided by 4. For this you have to take the pieces for the number 17. Let I take this shape square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. Now we have to divide this 17 shape into 4 equal parts. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. For that, first you have to take 4 pieces because we have the divisor as 4. So take 4 pieces and give 1 to each part. Again you have to take 4 pieces and give 1 to each part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again you have to take 4 pieces and give 1 to each part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again you have to take 4 pieces and give 1 to each part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next you have to take 4 pieces but we have only 1. So you have to stop up to this. Now we are going to write quotient and remainder for this sum. Okay. For to write the quotient you have to count the number of pieces in each part. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly check other parts. Each part contain 4 only. So you have to write 4 as the quotient and remaining piece as the remainder. Remaining we have only 1 piece. So you have to write 1 as the remainder. Let us check the sum is correct or not by actual division. So divide 17 by 4. So 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So 4 4s are 16. Let us subtract, we get the remainder 1. Thus we get the remainder 1, 1 here also and quotient 4 and 4. Do you understand, children? Next, children, we are going to see another sum, that is 11 divided by 4. For that you have to take 11 things. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have taken 11 things. Now I am going to divide these 11 things into 4 equal parts. Why we are dividing these things into 4 equal parts? Because our divisor is 4. First I am taking 4 pieces. Okay. I am giving 1 to each part. Once again I am taking 4 pieces and giving 1 to each part. So next I am going to take 4 parts but I am having only 3 parts. So you have to stop up to this. Now we are going to write the quotient and remainder now. What is the quotient? You have to count the number of pieces in each part. See here 1, 2, here also 1, 2, here also 1, 2. That each parts have only 2 pieces. So our quotient is 2 and remainder is, you have to count the remaining pieces. How many pieces are remaining? 3. So our remainder is 3. Let us check our activity is right or not. Okay, so you have to divide the 11 by 4. So 2, 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. So you have to choose 2 4s are 8. Okay, so you have to write 2 here. Okay, 2 4s are 8. By subtracting 8 from 11, you get the remainder as 3. See our quotient to remainder 3. Have you understand the concept of division, children? Thank you. Next we are going to see some problems based on factors. See the first question. Write all the factors of 10. The question they are asking, you have to write all the factors of 10. That is, you have to find the factors of the given number, that is 10. Okay. How we can find the factors of 10? The first step is you have to write like this. That is 10 equal to 1 into 10. Suppose the given number is 15 means first you have to write 1 into 15. So first step you have to write like this. 10 equal to 1 into 10. Why we are writing like this is in order to find the factors of 10 we are writing like this. Okay. 10 equal to, in which table the 10 will come? In 2 table as well as in the 5 table. So here we are writing 2 into 5. Here you can write 5 into 2 also. Thus we can write 10 equal to 1 into 10 as well as 10 equal to 2 into 5. There is no other ways to write 10 as the multiple of some other number. So up to this you have to stop. Okay. So we can easily say that the 10 can be divided by 1 as well as 10 can be divided by 10 and 10 can be divided by 2, 10 can be divided by 5 without remainder. So we can call this number as factors. Do you understand, children, what I am saying? If you divide 10 by 1 means in the case you will get the remainder 0. If you divide the 10 by 2, in the case also you will get the remainder 0. Similarly for other number also 5, 10. Okay. So we can call this number as factors by the definition of factors. So we are concluding, therefore the factors of 10 are, you have to write the factors in ascending order. So write first 1 and then 2 and then 5 and then 10. So 10 has how many factors, children? 1, 2, 3, 4 factors. What are they? 1, 2, 5, 10. It means what? 10 can be divided by 1. That is, divided by means remainder 0. Okay. 10 can be divided by 1 as well as 2 as well as 5 as well as 10. Okay. Let us move to the next sum. See the second sum. Write all the factors of 50. Now we are going to find all the factors of 15. So as I said in the before sum, the first step is you have to write given number as the multiple of itself. That is 1 into that given number. So 15 can be written as 1 into 15. Think 15 comes in which table? 3 table as well as 5 table. So 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Similarly, can you find some more numbers? No. So you have to stop up to this. So what are the factors of 15? You have to write these numbers in ascending order. First you have to write 1 and then 3 and then 5 and then 15. It means 15 can be divisible by 1, 3, 5 and 15 without remainder. Without remainder means 0 as the remainder. Okay. So what are the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5 and then 15. It's clear? See the third one. Write all the factors of 12. Already we have seen this. Okay. Now we are going to find the factors of 12 by writing the steps. See here. 12 can be written as 1 into 12. This is the first step. You have to write in all the sums. So 1 into 12. 12 also comes in which table? 2 table. So you will write 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. 12 also come in 3 table. So 3 into 4. Okay. So what are the possible writing the 12 in product of other numbers? 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. These are the possible ways. So you have possible ways. So you have to stop up to this. Now we are going to write the factors of 12. So what are the factors of 12? You have to write all these numbers in ascending order. First you have to write 1 and then 2 and then 3 and then 4 and then 6 and then 12 lastly. So what are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 6 factors of 12. Okay. See the fourth sum. Write all the factors of 36. First step, you have to write the 36 as the multiple of 1. That is 1 into 36. 36 also comes in 2 tables. So how can you write the multiple of 2? 2 into 18. Suppose if you don't know how to write it multiple of the 2 means, you can easily divide the 36 by 2. You will find the quotient. So write it as it multiple. See here, 1 2 is 2. Subtracting 2 from 3, you get 1. Bring out the 6. 8 2s are 16. So your remainder is 0. So you can easily write 36 as 2 into 18. Suppose if you get some other number as remainder means you don't write that number. Okay, do you understand, children? For example, suppose if you are taking the number 30 means if you are dividing it by 2 means 6 2s are 12. So the remainder is 1. In that case, you can't write 13 as 2 into 6 because it gives the remainder 1. Do you understand, children? Only you have to write the quotient with the multiple of divisor in the case of remainder 0 only. Okay. Thus we have written 36 equal to 2 into 18. Similarly, 36 can be written as it also come in 3 table. So 3 into 12. You can easily check 1, 3 2s are 6. 1 3 is 3. Okay. Again 36 can be written as a multiple of 4. So 4 into 9. 36 will not come in 5th table, but it comes in 6th table. So it can be written as multiple of 6. So 6 into 6. These are all the possible ways of writing 36 as a multiple of other numbers. That is the product of other numbers. So now we are going to write the factors of 36. Therefore, the factors of 36 are, you have to write this number in ascending order. First, you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 here you have 6 2 times, but you have to write as a factor only one time only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And then 9, 12, 18, 36. So how many factors are there totally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally 36 have 9 factors. It's clear, children? See the fifth sum, children. Write all the factors of 32. That is, you have to find all the factors of 32. So what is the first step? You have to write the 32 as the multiple of 1. So 32 equal to 1 into 32. Next you have to write 32. 32 comes in 2 tables. So you can easily write 2 into 16. 32 also come in 4 tables. So you can easily write 4 into 8. Okay. These are the only possible ways of writing 32 as a product of some other numbers. So you have to stop up to this. For writing this product of some other numbers as a given number, you must know the multiplication tables up to 10 or at least 12. Okay. Next we are going to write the answer for the factors of 32. Or factors of 32 are, you have to write this number in ascending order. So first you are writing 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So totally we have 6 factors for 32. It means 32 can be divided by 1 as well as 2 as well as 4 as well as 8, 16, 32 as a remainder 0. Okay, do you understand, children? Next we are going to see the sixth sum. Write all the factors of 40. So first step you have to write 1 into 40. 40 also come in 2 tables. So it can be written as 2 into 20. 40 also come in 4 tables. So it can be written as 4 into 10. It will not come in 3 tables. Okay. 40 also come in 5 tables. So it can be written as 5 into 8. These are the possible ways. So you have to stop up to this. Now we are going to write the factors of 40. What are the factors of 40? 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40. So totally how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 factors. There are 40 have 8 factors. That is, you can divide the 40 by these 8 numbers without remainder. Okay. Next we are going to see the sum. The sum, write all the factors of 8. Very small number. It is a single digit number. 8 can be written as 1 into 8. It also written as 2 into 4. These are the possible ways. So you have to stop up to this. Therefore, the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. That is, 8 have only 4 factors. One is 1 and other one is other the number same itself. And what are the other 2 factors? 2 and 4. So you can easily conclude that children, every number have 1 and itself as its factor. Okay, every number have 1 and itself as its factor. That is, if you are taking, see here we have taken 32, it has the factor 1 and itself. See here we are taking 40, so it has the factor 1 and 40. 1 and 40. Thus we can easily conclude every number have the 1 and itself as its factor. That is, we can easily say every number have 2 factors basically. They are 1 and itself. Okay. Let us see the last sum. Write all the factors of 100. Okay, now we are going to find the factors of 100. First step, you have to write the 100 as the multiple of 1. So 1 into 100. 100 also comes in 2 table. So you can easily write 2 into 50. It also come in. It does not come in 3 table. It come in 4 table. So you can easily write 4 into 25. 100 can be written as 5 into 20. It not come in 6 and 7, 8, 9 table. After that 10. So you can be written as multiple of 10. That is 10 into 10. Thus factors of 100 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10. Here we have 10 2 times, but you have to write 10 only 1 time. So what are the factors of 100? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50, 100. So totally how many factors we have? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Thus for 100 we have 9 factors. Okay. Up to this we are finishing these chapters. Okay. Now we are going to see how to add large numbers. Okay. Before that, do you know the place value, children? As per the Indian system, what are the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, and then lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, these are the place value as per Indian system. Now we are going to add the large numbers. See the first sum. Find the sum. Sum means you have to add. Do you understand, children? Sum means you have to add. You have to sum the given number. What are the given numbers? See here 7, 6, that is 76 plus. See here 9, 4, 7, 8, 7. How can you read this? As per the Indian system, you first put the commas. How can you put the commas? First after 3 digits and then every 2 digits. See here 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, you have to put the first comma. And next comma after that every 2 digits. 1, 2. Before that you don't have any number. So you have to stop up to this. Okay. See here 1, 2, 3. You have to count from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3. First comma. After that every 2 digits. 1, 2. Before that you have only one number. So you have to stop your comma up to this. See here next one. 1, 2, 3. So you have to put the first comma. Before that you have 2 numbers. So you have to stop up to that. Okay. Now we can read this number. How do you read this? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. You have to read this number as whole. That is 94,787. Okay. See the next one. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and then lakh. So you have to read as 4 lakh 50,306. Similarly 64,875. You have to add this number. Before that you have to arrange this number as alphabetically. How do you arrange it? First you have to write the place values to avoid the confusion. Okay. You can use pencil to write the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. For writing the place value ones, you have to write only O. For tens, T. For 100, H. For thousands, T and H. For 10,000, T dot TH. For lakh, L. For 10 lakh, T dot L. For crore, C. For 10 crore, T dot C. Okay. Similarly, you have to write the place value. After that, you have to write the given numbers. Okay. How do you write 76? You have to write the 6 in ones place. So write the 6 in ones place. After that write the 7 in tens place. Okay. So remaining place remains to be empty. To avoid the confusion, you may write 0 or leave as empty. Okay. You may write 0 or leave as empty. Do you understand? Read the next number. 94,787. You have to write the number from the ones place. First you have to write 7 and then 8 and then 7. 7 comes in hundreds place and 4 comes in thousands place and 10,000 in 10,000 place we have 9. Remaining place is empty. You may write 0 or leave it as empty. Okay. Write the next number 6 0 3 0 5 4. Okay. Write the next number 5 7 8 4 6. This place value is empty. You may write 0 here. Okay. Thus we have arranged the given number. And the question what they are asking, find the sum. Sum means you have to add. So you have to put the symbol plus here. Now we are going to add this number. How can you add? 6 plus 7. 6 in the mind you have to 7 and your hand. Okay. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 in the mind, 6 on the hand. Okay. After 13, we have 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 in the mind, 5 on the finger. So after 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. See here, we get 24. Many of you have the confusion. Here we have to put 2 or 4. So for you, for that to avoid that confusion, I give an hint to you. See here children, keep your right hand here, keep your left hand here. The number which is near to your right hand should be right in the below. Number which is near to your left hand should be written in the above. Okay. Number which is near to your right hand should be right below. Okay. So you have to write 4 here. So you have to write 4 here and 2 here. Okay, do you understand children? Next we are going to add this column. Okay, 7 plus 2, 8, 9. 9 in the mind, 8 on the finger. So after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So after 17, you have to add 7. So 18, 19. After 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Again we get 24. So write here 4 and write here 2. Do you understand children? Next we are going to add this column. 2 plus 7. So what is your answer? 7 after 2, 8, 9. So you get 9 and then 9 plus 3. Here you get 9. 9 plus 3. 9 in the mind, 3 on the finger. So 10, 11, 12. So you get 12. So you have to add 1 with 8. 12 in the mind, 8 on the finger. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So 20 means you have to write the number 0 in the bottom. This is the number near to your right hand. This is the number near to your number near to your left hand. You have to write the number which is near to your right hand below, that is bottom. So you have to write 0 here and write the 2 here. Do you understand children? So now you have to add 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. So you have to write 0 here or 10. You have to write the 0 here and 1 before column you have to write it. Okay. So 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. That is 15 in the mind, 6 on the finger. After 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So here you have to write 1. Here you have to put 2. 2 plus 4, 6. So you have to write the answer here. 6, 1, 0, 0, 4, 4. As per the Indian system, you have to put the commas like this. 1, 2, 3. After the 3 digit and then after every 2 digits. So 1, 2. Now how do you read this number? 6 lakhs 10,044. 6 lakhs 10,044. 6 lakhs 10,044. This is the answer. See the next sum. 857 plus 21,199 plus. How can you place the comma? After the 3 digit, 2 digit. Okay. How do you read this? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So you have to read the 41 as 4. 41 lakh 87,342 plus 4,712. You have to add these numbers. Okay. Once again, you have to write the base values: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. Next, we are going to arrange this number. Okay. First, you have to write this number 7 in the ones place. So write 7 in ones place and 5 in tens place, 8 in hundreds place, and remaining place values we may add 0. Okay. And write the next number 9, 9, and 1, 2. They add 0 in the remaining place values. And write the next number 2, 2, 3, 7, 8, 1, 4. And write the last number 2, 1, 7, 4. They understand children? Now we are going to add this number. Okay, 7 plus 9. 7 in the mind, 9 on the finger. So after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Thus we got 16. 16 plus 2. 17, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. So you have to, for 20, you have to write the 0 in the below. So I have to write 0 here and 2 in the previous, 2 you have to write the 2 above the previous column. Now you have to add 2 with 5, 5 plus 2, 7 and 7 plus 9, 7 in the mind, 9 on the finger. So what is the answer? 16. I hope you understand. So 16. 16 plus 2, 17, 18, 18 plus 1, 19. So you have to put for 19, here you have to put 9, here you have to put 1. Do you understand? So you have to add 1 with 8. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 3, 11, 12, 13, 13 plus 7, 13 plus 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. For 20, here you have to put 0, here you have to put 2. Okay? 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. So here you have to put 4, here you have to put 1. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 8, 11. Here you have to put 1, here you have to write 1. 1 plus 1, 2, and write the 4 as a base. Here you have to put the symbol plus. Okay? Thus your answer is 4, 2, 1, 4, 0, 9, 0. As per the English system, first you have to place the first number after the first 3 digit. 1, 2, 3. First number and then you have 2 digit. 1, 2. Here only 2 digits, so you have to stop up to this. How can you read this number? 42 lakhs 14,090. 42 lakhs 14,090. It's clear, children?